Welcome to Lolita's Kitchen, and let's get cooking. If you're not subscribed, push the red subscribe button. Tap that bell so you don't miss any of my cooking recipes and everything else that I do in the kitchen. So, today we're going to have Potato Deluxe Instapot Soup.
Alrighty, all ingredients are in the description below, and I am going to pressure cook this for 12 minutes for the best soup you've ever put in your belly. Alrighty, let's set our Instant Pot for 12 minutes. That's all you have to do, and I will show you the beautiful pressure cooked veggies, and here it goes. And this is going to be some good. I love my Instant Pot. Alrighty, after the pressure cooking is done, make sure you release the valve on your Instant Pot, and then you add a can of cream of chicken soup. Then fill your cream of chicken soup can with some chicken broth and add it to your pressure cooked vegetables. Voila! This soup is on the table and ready to eat in less than 20 minutes because you've already 12 minutes pressure cooked it. Then you've added your other ingredients, and just look below for this recipe. Never fails. If you like comfort food, this is your soup of the day.